I think you build it up high and then you take away, is what I read.
Oh, you read up on this?
And
Yes,
still,
I did.
that's
Oh,
not
wow.
enough for me.
All right.
I have gone into the research.
Yeah. It is impressive what they do. I mean, they come up with stuff, you're like, wow, how do they, the time and the tedious nature, getting all that stuff.
They have special
it is amazing.
tools.
Yeah.
Very artistic.
What are your special tools today to kind of keep the sun out? That'd be nice.
Well, I'd like to keep the sun out. Parting the clouds is a little bit of a problem. We've had some fog. We've had some reduced visibility in some cases. But if the sun can break, we should be able to get our temperatures back to the near normal or the average high this time of year, which is in the low 80s. And then by tomorrow, we're back into the heat and the humidity, the real, traditional August weather that we are so used to. It's a lot more typical than what we've been having. Over the park right now, visibility has improved, but it's not quite perfect. 76 degrees in Central Park, so a decent day. We do have a threat of showers and thunderstorms north and west. That's where the air is a little more unstable. Temperatures are starting off Cold Spring at 72 degrees. We've got Montgomery at 74, so these numbers aren't too chilly, but they're just a degree or two below where we are on Long Island and the Jersey Shore, and inland Newark is already up to 79, so you should have no problem making it into the mid-80s today. So for the next 7 hours, taking us right into lunch and early afternoon, it's a mix of clouds with the sun breaks. Air is coming out of the south. As that could pick up, we'll see temperatures even warmer tomorrow. So the hit or miss showers that have been happening in the northern counties really do weaken as they move eastward. And there's some evidence with the showers that have already come through. That's going to be the case throughout the day today. So although there is a very marginal risk for severe weather to put out with the Storm Prediction Center for the northern counties, those little cells look like they weaken right as they get into the tri-state. Tomorrow, there's a general coverage for non-severe storms, so we can't rule them out, but they also don't look like they're anything to really ruin the day or cancel plans over. So if you can just keep an eye to the sky, you see a quick shower coming through, you can dodge it. Most of these don't produce very much rain accumulation at all, except for these coming through, which are late tonight to early tomorrow morning. I think they could produce about a quarter inch of rainfall. We've been looking at the models to see how much rain could actually come from these spotty showers. And it's just a few hundredths of an inch, maybe even up to a quarter or half an inch with those heavier storms north and west. So that's the one spot where we could get a downpour or two, but really not looking for heavy rainfall out of this. Sea and sand forecast, southeast winds 5 to 10, 1 to 3 foot waves, and water temperature all the way up to 76 at our warmest buoys. There's a moderate rip current risk for this afternoon. Now, afternoon thunderstorms could happen north and west. Again, we're not ruling out showers for anyone, but they're few and far between and short-lived, so quick moving storms. Tomorrow, it's warm and humid, feels like 90 with a possible thunder shower. Now, we're actually going to get to 90 on Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, very close at 89 degrees. Some stronger, heavier storms coming in midweek. That sort of cools things down, opens the door for some cooler, drier air coming in for Thursday and Friday, 82 and 79. That is your AccuWeather 7-day forecast.
All right.
Decent chance of, I'm sorry.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. Decent chance of a heat wave. We're going to get a third day 90?
Possible, quite possible. I mean, it's going to feel like near 90 tomorrow, and then we're going to have 2 days where we could actually get that on the thermometer, make it a third, only a degree away from it.
Okay, let's break some records.
Just go for it. August, come on.
All right, coming up in sports, the Giants under Friday Night Lights, and there was a lot to like about the rookie QB once again.
It's time, but your day isn't